The Coin Lady channel is pleased to have you back. Attention all traders, the Bitcoin market is about to crash in a few days. The good news is that this is a purchasing opportunity, guys. You have to view it that way. Also, if these markets get too volatile and people start to pull back, it will be difficult, if not impossible, to identify the cryptocurrency markets in Q3, Q4, and beyond. That is the impending decline in change. Calm yourself. It's normal to feel discouraged. In fact, it's likely that you're feeling discouraged about some of your cryptocurrency investments. They are excellent. They will recover, you guys. They will recover. Shorts are a hot topic right now, so we'll be discussing one hypothesis behind them in this episode. The ripple effect. Head of technology condemns we discuss body slamming, Elon Musk. As chat believes, and I tend to agree with them, that Citibank has been collaborating with Ripple for a considerable amount of time, we will investigate this claim. Without further ado, please settle in, kick up your feet, and get a cold drink, because we are about to discuss the crypto analyst who predicted Bitcoin's $70,000 rally turning bearish, as well as the Bitcoin dip and the XRP Bitcoin chart. $64,702. The current decline is 5.28%. Ethereum has dropped 48 cents in the last day, while USDC and TA have also fallen to dollar pegs, bringing their respective values to 5.49% and $3,066, respectively. We need to return to that oh-so-critical level of 66 and 75 cents, which is coming into the May-June timeframe. VOC wants to be 49 cents. As I've said before and will repeat again, Bitcoin is at a key juncture in its liquidity zone. Therefore, we're trying to get as much liquidity as possible before the price skyrockets between 64,000 and 68,000. Market capitalization for all cryptocurrencies, $2,309 billion. The equally formidable Brad Garlin House has predicted that by year's end, they would have amassed $5 trillion. The prediction of $7 trillion in cryptocurrency by 2025 is tempting. Have a look at it. More pieces are missing. In light of the halving event, Crypto.com's CEO has forecasted that Bitcoin would continue to fall in value. He has my general agreement. I am unhappy with the outcome of this situation. Some sort of mobile view may have been what I created. No, that is not good. There is no mobile view. Get to. The guarantee was updated because something broke. We will still pull up. And we will examine it. According to crypto CEO's predictions on Bitcoin market dynamics, he is thinking, and I will summarize his point of view, that as we approach the halving event, the market will experience a decline. Also, I'm inclined to agree with them. In fact, I firmly believe that there will be no sell-offs, and that prices will eventually climb again. Shorts of Ether are becoming more popular. The report indicates that short positions for the theory of prices have been increasing, indicating a pessimistic prognosis for the near future. The price of Bitcoin is affected by this, selling off or declining as we approach halving, which is just 3 or 4 days away. The current settlement around a theory of one Ethereum risk has taken a sharp turn towards negativity, particularly in the front end, registering minus 12.0% to. Additionally, the market is currently shortened in Ethereum gamma, especially in near-death or options, according to a recent market analysis given by the QCP Capital 2Q.2 key points. This is, totally expected. Bitcoin price is falling. Everyone is pessimistic just before the halving, as they always are. However, after a few days, or weeks, as we should say, after the halving, just before we meet, the mood turns bullish again. Elon Musk's intentions to oppose charges on new Twitter users are criticized by Ripple's Chief Technology Officer CTO. Elon Musk is reportedly thinking about getting new users up and running on X using a couple of systems. Crypto industry heavyweights like David Schwartz have spoken out in response to the current suggestion, which has sparked a huge outcry against the billionaire's bizarre statement X. In weighing competing claims about new users, Elon Musk did not defend this post. He is also worried about the apparent lack of unique user identities and the quick usage of bots. According to him, the only way to prevent bots is to charge new users a little amount for access rights. This is essentially Elon Musk's goal. Furthermore, a registration fee is required of all new users. Surely this would deter bots, as the idea of $100 in accounts for $5 is appealing. A bank account, say, $5,000. The bots would be thwarted by this. The difference between compounding bots and sniffling legal disclosure was highlighted by David Schwartz. Additionally, he mentioned that it is important to prioritize the ease of free expression. Well, this is a complete mess. Everything is happening in its own chaotic way. We got this from Chad. According to him, the city has been collaborating with Ripple for quite some time and developing private ledgers for things like tokenized bank deposits and quick international transfers. Consider Mitaco, which the city has incorporated as a liquidity hub and custody service that links up with the BRICS banks. Now, as we're nearing the new payment Kinesia border, this is the Twin Cities in real time across borders. Experience the UK, Singapore, and Thailand through its private network. Funds can be sent to foreign third-party banks almost instantly using the cross-border instant transfers, which are available nearly 24/7 and do not incur fees from intermediaries or beneficiaries' banks. Citi will be increasing the footprint of solutions in other nations in 2021, and confirmation provides certainty that the monies have been transferred to them. Freelancers and gig economy workers are on the rise in today's digital economy, and as a result, beneficiaries want more control over their payment processes, including the option to have their money sent to a digital wallet. In order to assist businesses in satisfying this need, Citi has widened its payment offerings to encompass digital wallets in over 100 countries, allowing for almost immediate transfer of funds through the China UnionPay card network. With Citi's near-instant fund delivery to account, digital wallet, and card services, individuals in China can get full-value cross-border payments. Businesses may expand their consumer base, strengthen their relationships with existing customers, increase revenue, and strengthen brand loyalty with the aid of Citi's cross-border payments service. With the Citi network's instant payments feature, funds as large as $15 million can be sent instantly between Citi accounts, regardless of their location. Citi accounts in the US now offer quick intercompany finance for urgent payments to suppliers or consumers with pre-validation available 24/7. In the future, more countries will be able to use the immediate payment networks of Hong Kong and Singapore. With the Citi Connect API, you can see what's happening in real time and have smooth end-to-end connectivity. Wow, everyone, this is really fascinating. If that's what you mean, I've spent years perfecting the private ledger. The cryptocurrency experts, who had projected a 70,000-point surge before the Huffing turned negative, and the creator of 10x Research placed his capital at danger riding the rising tide of treasury yields. Oh my God, Bitcoin broke its all-time high before this thing happened. Is it going to stop? I've always told you on this channel that whatever goes up must come down. So when this happened, we knew the markets would react like this. We were prepared, folks. Alright, let's descend again, and we will rectify the situation and locate that middle ground. We will return to the upside once we locate that area, guys. It's as easy as that. Hold on a little longer. The price of Bitcoin falls to $65 as the trend indicator on Coinbase Bitcoin reaches neutral. To me, neutrals are the best. I went from being bullish to being neutral, so that's good. No problem. Hold 60,000, because it's going to immediately redirect everyone's attention to Bitcoin. Therefore, we need to complete 64,000. We must be steadfast in that position. Staying put would be ideal. The upward momentum will be apparent sooner than you anticipate. We expect the XRP movement in May and June to truly do occur. In his yearly XRP report, Mr. Huber made this same point. Looking at Bitcoin's yearly chart, it appears like a fresh start. I believe it's fantastic. We need to put this in the past, so we can start over. Well, it's disappointing to see that we're right back where we started, but you're not interested. After all this time, I've had enough. I can guarantee you that in 2025, in the first quarter of XRP's lifespan, we will see the creation of a new all-time high. The price of XRP is likely to rise as we approach a new all-time high, $2.80, that hasn't been surpassed since the 2018 bull run. One of the assets with the worst performance, if I'm being really honest. However, did you hear? The greater the base length, the greater the altitude to space. The video ends there. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Coming up shortly, farewell.